Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make meals, how to meal prep in 3 steps while I'm also meal prepping. So we're going to see how this goes. If you haven't heard of it before, meal prepping is when you make meals in bulk on like one specific day so that you can eat them later on in the week. So this week I'm going to be making some Korean beef and rice. It's just a recipe that I found online, so should be good. So you may be thinking, Nate, where do I get all this money to buy organic food? Well, it's not actually that expensive. So after crunching some numbers, it looks like all the meals that I made this week, which was 5 meals, it was $4 a piece. And that was because I got protein on sale and because I buy in bulk, and then you just count how much of the package that you actually used. So this can be helpful if you're in high school or if you're working, because $4 is not actually that much for like a good amount of food, so a good amount of protein, carbohydrates, and if you go to Subway, which I'd consider healthy, or Chipotle, they're definitely going to charge you more, like closer to $8 for something around a similar size. And high school lunches, I think they're about $3 or $4. So you can definitely save a lot of money by doing this. And all you gotta do is go grocery shopping and then spend, I don't know, at most 2 hours on the weekend. So, okay, so step number 1 is gonna be to evaluate. What do you have in your fridge? What are you craving? What kind of foods do you wanna eat? So I personally like berries. You just got these from Aldi. They go for about like $3 a piece in the winter. So they're expensive because they have to come from far away, but they should be cheaper in the summer. But I also like baby spinach and mixed greens. So these are my vegetables. And then I have some basmati rice, which I'm cooking up right now. And I got some lean ground beef from Aldi, which is actually pretty cheap because we got it on 50% off. So pro tip, figure out when your grocery store restocks, and then they'll hopefully give you some sales or clearance when they're trying to get rid of the old product, and then you can just freeze it. So right now I'm thawing it and then I'll cook it up later on. So think about what you need to make the food you want to make for this week, like what kind of ingredients. Go to the store, check out what you already have, make a list what you need, and then try to make sure that you're planning balanced meals. So try to eat foods that are like a lot of different colors, because then you'll get more nutrients, which is going to be good for you, and more vitamins, which is good. So make sure you have a source of protein, a source of carbohydrate, fruits, and vegetables. So for my meal here, I'm gonna have my protein from my ground beef, my carbohydrate from my rice, and my vegetable from my spinach, and my fruit from these mixed fruits. And then I'm also gonna have some clementines. So pretty easy so far. All right, so step 2 is gonna be to prepare your meal. So once you got your recipe, which you can find online, I just looked this one up on YouTube today. So, you can get them wherever. You can also get seasoning from Aldi. Like I have some, I don't know. They sell random chicken and hamburger seasonings that you can use. It doesn't really have to be that fancy, But today, I'm gonna crush this garlic and chop up some onions, and I'll get started on this ground beef. But you really just gotta throw it all together, and then I'll see you in the next step where we put it all together. Quick tip, make sure you do your dishes while you're meal prepping. So while your food's cooking, you can be doing dishes, or after you finish a certain part, or while your rice is cooking. So stuff like that, you can be doing dishes so that you don't end up having to do them all at the end like me. All right, so now that we finished preparing, it's on to step 3, which is assembly. So what we're gonna want is some glass containers. You can get these on Amazon for like 35 bucks, but it's worth it because you can start out with the plastic ones, but I find that you get like really bendy. But these are nice. So what I usually do is I go carbohydrate, protein, and then we do my vegetable and fruit. So that's kind of how I go. And then now what you got to do is just put it all together. All right, so now that you know how to meal prep, make sure when you go to school or your job or whatever, make sure you know where the microwaves are, because if you don't, it might get pretty ugly, because I've done it before. It's kind of sad sitting alone eating cold chicken and rice. So, you know, the school I go to the U of M. They also have a map on their website for microwaves. So maybe if you look it up, there might be one. So just to review, step 1, evaluate, see what you got in the fridge, what do you want to eat. Step 2, prepare, make your food, assemble the ingredients. Oh, wait, no, that's step 3. Step 3, assemble everything in your little containers and then enjoy. Let me know, because I'm thinking about it might be cool if I do like a live stream on the days that I meal prep or whatever, if anyone's interested in that. But comment down below whether you already meal prep or if you're thinking about getting into it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.